Well, good evening, everybody. I'm just sitting down here by the old wood stove, getting my hands warm. We were just out for about an hour walk around the property here, and it was getting quite cold. Anyhow, I just made this little video here today because we had a special treat. We were invited down to a house in Kingston that has had a tufted titmouse, which is a fairly rare bird here in southern Ontario. They've had this tufted titmouse visiting their feeder for the better part of a year, I believe. And so this lady was nice, and she invited us and another friend down to sit out on her deck and watch the tufted titmouse. We were there for about 40 minutes before we actually saw it, so I wasn't sure we were going to succeed, but eventually it started coming to the feeder and we got some nice views of it, and I managed to get some half-decent pictures and a little bit of video, although it didn't stay at the feeder long. No matter when it just came for a few seconds and then took off. So anyhow, the tufted titmouse is a chickadee-like bird that lives through the eastern United States, particularly further south, although you don't have to go too far south to see it. Here in southern Ontario, it's fairly locally occurring at best. It's quite rare, and there's just a few spots along Lake Ontario and the St. Lawrence River where individual birds are sometimes reported. This particular lady is quite sure that she's had a pair of them there this summer that bred, because I think she saw up to 4 at one time. So a parent family that she had coming to her feeders then, I guess. So it took me quite a while to get down to finally see them. But I finally did, and happy I went. Got to see them and add them on to my 2024 year list of birds that I've seen around this area.